Friends, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we will be learning about paragraph writing. So are you ready? Let's start. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a piece of writing having more than three sentences on the same topic or same idea. Paragraph is a small piece of a composition or essay. Here is a topic. Here is a topic developed with the relevant facts. One sentence should lead into another sentence in a sequence and related facts. The language of writing should be clear and easy to understand. Here I have two paragraphs for you. After reading, you have to tell me which one is good and which one is not. Okay. See in the first paragraph, it is said, water is a basic need of any living thing. Water is useful for various purposes. We get water from rains, seas, wells, rivers, etc. Drinking water should be kept clean. Lives can be very miserable without water. Okay. Now see paragraph number 2. Water is my favorite thing. All animals play on the ground. There are many factories in Mumbai. My uncle gave me wristwatch on my birthday party. I like chocolate milk very much. Now you tell me which paragraph is good. Number 1 or number 2? Yes, you are correct, my dear students. Number 1 paragraph is good. Why it is so? How do you know? It is a good paragraph. It is a good paragraph, we can say, because it focuses on a single topic, which is water. Are you getting me? Now see the second paragraph. It talks about many different things, which are water, animal, water, factories, pets, uncle. So we cannot relate one thing to another, right? So we can say paragraph 1 is a good paragraph. Let's move forward. While writing a paragraph, we need to know three main components. They are topic sentence and conclusion sentence. Next, supportive sentence, and the last, adding details. Let's see one by one. Topic sentence. Topic sentence, to understand the topic is most important, right? So it should be easy, attractive and strong as well. What is the topic sentence of our paragraph? That water is the basic need of any living thing. Yes, this is our topic sentence. Now, the second thing is supportive sentences. When we add supportive things into sentences, like water is useful for various purposes like drinking, bathing, washing, agriculture, etc. So definitely these things support the paragraph, right? And the third thing is adding details. If we add the sources of water into our paragraph, it will become more strong. Our paragraph will become more strong. All these sentences must support the paragraph or agree with the topic. Now, see, finally our paragraph is ready. Let's see. Water is a basic need of any living thing. Human beings cannot survive without water. Water is useful for various purposes like drinking, washing, agriculture, etc. We get water from rains, seas, reservoirs, wells, lakes, rivers, etc. These stores of water, these stores of waters are called sources of water. Drinking water should be kept clean. Water is very precious for us. Life can be very miserable without water. So here we can see the topic sentence as well as the supportive sentences with adding details. In this way, we have to write the paragraph. Always the following 5 things always to be remembered. Number 1, understand the topic clearly. Number 2, topic sentence should be attractive. Number 3, use simple and clear language. Number 4, check your spellings. And number 5, conclusion sentence should be positive. Here, what is the conclusion sentence of our paragraph? That life can be very miserable without water. Okay. So, hope you have understood that how to write a paragraph. I want that this paragraph you write in your notebook. Pause the video if it is necessary. Goodbye students. Have a great day. Bye.